question right there.
I mean, it was a very active wildfire season, still is. We're still in the thick of it, October and November, so those goats could come in handy, maybe even here in Kern County as well. But we're tracking this system over the central part of Texas. Governor Greg Abbott declaring a state of emergency for 18 counties because of the extreme flooding that's taking place in that area. So we're tracking that. But back home, we're dry. This high pressure system off the Pacific Northwest going to be warming temperatures up starting today, going into the weekend as well. So right now, as the sun makes an appearance in about an hour, 62 degrees. Again, you can see that 6-degree difference there as well in the temperature change. Our air quality staying in that moderate range with an AQI of 63, worsening slightly from yesterday. It was at 57, but still in that moderate range. And Thursday going to be starting around 5:30 this afternoon. Should top out around 83 degrees. By the end of that, still in those low 70s. So over the next 10 days, going to stay 84 today and tomorrow. Again, climbing though. Saturday, Sunday looks to be probably the warmest days of the week, staying in those low 80s going into the midweek next week. And then Thursday back into those high 70s though. Our lows staying in the 50s. For the Kern River Valley, going to see a high of 79 today, 81 tomorrow. Those 80s staying with you through your weekend. Sunday could see some rain maybe in our desert, mountain and desert communities. Tehachapi, those low 70s, 72 for you today. Those 70s staying with you through next week. And then Frazier Park, a high of 68 today and tomorrow.